Well, Amnesty International is very concerned about the definition of the crime of sedition in the criminal code and the very expanded and general interpretation that the Supreme Court did of this crime for two main reasons. On the one place, the definition makes us the same, the use of force, and outside of the legal avenues. That is opening the door for the criminalization of a whole range of direct action, mainly pacific civil disobedience, that is criminalizing the exercise of the rights to freedom of expression and peaceful assembly. On the other hand, the definition of the crime also requires or mentions that it's tumultuous. And the way in which the Supreme Court interprets this is that because there were so many people in the street protesting, this meant the crime of sedition was happening. And this is again imposing a very problem because it's setting a limit on how many people can exercise the right to peaceful assembly at the same time, which is contrary to international human rights law. Well, Amnesty International is very, very concerned about the effect and the chilling effect that this ruling can have. This can create a general climate of fear in which people would not like to go outside and protest peacefully because they are afraid of being then sentenced and convicted by such a serious crime like sedition. Well, first, we are urging the authorities to immediately release Jordi Sánchez and Jordi Cuixart because they have been imprisoned solely because of their exercise of human rights. We're also asking the authorities to reform the crime of sedition because this is opening the doors for further criminalization of peaceful acts of protest. We're also asking the authorities to open the avenues for the former Catalan leaders to be able to challenge the violation of their right to the principle of legality, which was violated by this sentence, to be challenged in court.